I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Ford Fiesta. Really good system, pretty simple to use as well. You can either go into menu and go down to, let's see, I always end up trying to turn this when you need to operate it from this. There's 4 arrows, obviously takes you in whichever way you want. You've got sync applications there and sync settings there, and you've got Bluetooth. So at the top there, there's a tick in the Bluetooth box. If you're having any trouble pairing a device, then you just need to make sure there's a tick in that box. But we just go down to the next one, Bluetooth devices, click OK in the middle, and you see there, that's my phone, which is highlighted at the top. If I wanted to delete the next one, I'd highlight that. So highlight my phone, Barry's iPhone, and then you've got add, delete and connect at the bottom. Now those instructions at the bottom correspond to these buttons here, and that's not always immediately obvious. You're kind of pressing here trying to get it in anyway. So the first one is add, second one's delete, so delete. And then you've got yes and no. Yes on the far left, no on the far right. So no would be there and yes is here. Click yes. That's it. That's my phone deleted.